game. Today I will make bagel burger with Cheetos. Beef. Onion. Salt. Pepper. Chili sauce.
Uh-oh!
What is that?
Ah, Daisy, I have a surprise for you. Please open it.
Really? Wow, I will use it. Thank you, Mimi. Cooking oil. Cheese. Egg. Tomato. Cucumbers. Wow, this dish looks so flavorful. Time to eat.
Huh?
Yay, Dave's hot chicken. Let's eat.
Oh, sorry, we're closed.
I was so hungry. Daisy,
What's up?
no chicken outside. Can you cook for me?
Don't worry, I'll make homemade Dave's hot chicken just for you.
Chicken. Milk. Spicy sauce. Yellow mustard. Egg. Pepper. Paprika. Flour. Turmeric powder. Paprika. Salt. Paprika. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Cayenne pepper. Oregano. Thyme. Basil. Oh no, my spices. Spider cat. Look what you did.
Sorry, I thought I could fly.
What?
Get out.
Let's try again. Mayonnaise. Sour cream. Lemon.
Wow, they look beautiful. Amazing.
Honey.